What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevlar82 TV. This is your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can tell in the title, something on the Genesis Coupe broke. So we're gonna be showing you today what that is and how we're going to fix it. We're just gonna jump into it and get started, and I'm gonna show you what happened. Blammo! That's what happened, dude. Now, just to give you a bit of a backstory, if Liz is watching this video, she's gonna put face palm and say, I told you so, because a while back, this happened like, I wanna say like 3 weeks ago, the little tiny spider web crack or whatever. And last week, when it reached somewhere over 100 degrees, then it expanded. And she told me, we were at the detail garage, Montclair Cars and Coffee, and she spotted this, or Rides and Coffee, and she spotted just a little spider crack, and she was like, you want to get that filled, otherwise it's going to expand. And I didn't, and of course I paid the price. So here's another look at it from the inside. So yeah, my windshield broke, and basically for the last, like, I want to say week since I found out it happened last weekend, I didn't really do anything. I didn't really go out because I didn't want to put extra miles on the car. I didn't want to drive the car around and have it expand any further, because I do daily drive this thing Monday through Friday. But yeah, so today we're going to be getting the windshield replaced. Of course, I'm not going to be doing it. Of course, you have insurance. That's what it's there for. So I do have to pay a deductible, but I will be getting it replaced right now. So in this video, we're gonna have Caesar from Safelite. It's gonna be here between, you know how they do, between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. So we're just gonna be chilling here waiting for him. But I'm gonna show you a couple things. The reason why I kind of was telling some of my friends, I kind of low-key kind of let it happen. Why? I had this one I didn't feel. This one's like 3 years old. I don't know why I didn't feel it. I just didn't. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, I really can't give you an answer on that, dude. So one of the reasons why this car is, I've had it for about like 5 years, probably 6. Like, it's been a minute. I had this car for a minute. So if you look closely, I watched the car. The windshield is actually perfectly clean. Now, the little specks and spots that you're seeing, if you can catch it, there's actually tiny specks. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up. There's tiny specks and like microscopic, like look like stars or whatever. That's over the years. Basically, the windshield is not like ceramic coated or anything like that. So unfortunately, those are rock chips, little tiny microscopic rock chips. So the windshield was like never perfect. You know, over the years, it just got kind of like a little bit more and more. But it's fine. But we're gonna get it replaced. So I gotta do a couple things. I gotta get rid of all my windshield stuff. All right, so basically we're just gonna take my my blade or whatever, and then pull out the razor out of the actual blade, and then just basically scrape it. I mean, since I'm gonna be getting rid of the windshield, there's no sense in like worrying about like scratching it or anything like that. So to make things easier, I guess you could like take some Goo Gone or something for adhesive or whatever to ease it up, but we're not gonna be, I don't think I'm gonna be reusing this badge or whatever. So yeah, got it all peeled off or whatever. I just used the blade to kind of get underneath, and I just pulled it off or whatever, just make it easy. But it made me think of something I was thinking about doing or whatever, but I might end up going with like custom badging. But what do you guys think about this? Stick it too hard. Bam. What do y'all think? Too much? Comment down below what y'all think, man. What y'all think? Yeah. All right, so I got the wires unhooked and everything. That this part, as far as the mirror, I'm just gonna let the professional handle it or whatever. So I'll wait for Caesar from Safelite to pull up, and then yeah, we'll get to the next part. So he already got started pulling some of the stuff out. Man, it looks weird. I had to take the windshield wipers off. The trim. So yeah. It's gonna look weird without a windshield on the front of it. Crazy. The suction cups. That's crazy. Let's see what it's like underneath. Wow. Maybe I should keep it like this. We all done. How long do I have to keep the tape on?
Leave it for an hour.
Oh, okay, that's cool. All right. I thought it was gonna be like I had to have it on for a couple days or something. That'll be.
Nah, it's just an hour. Make sure you take it off though.
Okay.
So you can't wash the car for 24 hours.
Oh yeah, I washed it this morning, so I'm good. That's another thing I did too. I was like, the car was dirty, you guys, and I was just like, yeah, I gotta wash it before we start the process or whatever. So it's all wrapped up. Everything is super clean. Yeah, super crispy clean. I don't know, the reflection, you can probably see better on the inside. Dang, man, don't even look like it's got a windshield. It seems so clean. But yeah, gotta move the car. And the tape, he said I can take that off in an hour, so I have my alarm set for an hour. But yeah, we're gonna go and wrap the video up, and ooh-wee, look at that. Can't wait to go on the cruise with this brand new windshield. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content. All right, so yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This was just something that's just different, you know what I mean? Like, I decided to film it just because you don't know how the process goes or whatever. I've never seen it before myself personally, whatever. So hope it was interesting for you guys. It's not one of those like direct how-to, obviously, because you don't have the right tools and everything like that. But hey, you know, I just thought it'd be interesting to show you another piece of the Batmobile puzzle, whatever. Car's looking good. Next step is to get the windows retinted darker or whatever, because it is hot as heck. That's why I'm in the garage and I'm not standing out here, because it's somewhere between 95 and 105 degrees out here in Southern California. It is hot, dude. So you guys comment down below where you're from. If it's hot where you're at, tell me how hot it is, dude. So comment down below what degrees it is or whatever. If it's 100, 110, 120. If you live out there in like Arizona, Nevada, you know, that area, it's pretty hot out there. But anyways, dude, hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that good jazz. Grab yourself some Positive Car Culture merch, dude. New design is up right now, dude. So as of the recording this, the design for me, it's going to be released tomorrow. By the time you guys watch this video, it's already going to be live. So I'm gonna put a little picture right there of the new design, the official design for Positive Car Culture. So make sure you should support the movement, what I'm doing. Stay tuned to the channel. Got more awesome stuff coming up with SoCal Gens, and dude, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So catch you guys later, and always remember, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.